Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if your iPhone supports eSIM. If you're wondering whether your iPhone is compatible with eSIM, let me guide you through the process. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, look for Cellular, Mobile Data, or Mobile Service. The label depends on your region, and tap on it. Once you're in that menu, if your iPhone supports eSIM, you'll see an option labeled Add eSIM. For example, my phone supports eSIM, so I can tap Add eSIM to set it up as a second SIM. When you tap Add eSIM, you'll see options to transfer an eSIM from a nearby iPhone, scan a QR code, or sign in to set it up. It's very straightforward. However, if you don't see the Add eSIM option, your iPhone likely doesn't support eSIM. Also, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version, as some older versions may not support eSIM. To check, go back to Settings, tap General, then Software Update, and install any available updates.